Hey friends, if you wish to check if a disk uses GPT or MBR, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now there's one procedure which works at times but is easier. So search for device manager, open device manager, expand disk drives, right click on the first one, select properties, go to volumes. It mentions it in the partition style, but in my case it doesn't. So the same goes for the second one, properties, volumes, nothing in the partition style. The second method, which will almost always work, like in 99.9% cases, is this command get hyphen disk. All you need to do is search for PowerShell, click on run as administrator in the right pane, paste get hyphen disk or type get hyphen disk, and it will mention whether the drive is GPT or MBR here. The first one is GPT, the second one is MBR. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.